This cable actually comes with a diagnostic tool when you purchase, so you don't have to worry about it. This is the cable you will be using. And we will start over here on the left by clicking the diagrams option. We have a full list. This would be the Cummins engine, and here we have the climate control. There's the full list of the components. And you can even see what is the type of cable and all of that. Here's a full list. There's 60 pages of wiring diagrams. There's the auxiliary heater, brake system, data, communication system, fan control, cruise control. So you'll find all of the technical information you need for your buses. Here we are inside the engine, and you can do photo reading. There's the code at the left side, the code, and then you have the description in the middle. You can check the date and time this fault happened, and in some cases, usually lots on the engine side, you'll have technical information. It will give you details on the effects, in this case, of this issue. And sometimes it will give you the component technical data like resistance values and temperatures. In many cases you will have troubleshooting guides, I would say most of them. And for example, here there's an issue in the EGR valve control circuit. The voltage is failing. So it takes you to check how to check the air intake system and so on. Step 2, do this. You click either yes or no and continue until you finally clear that fault. Here you can turn on and off any of these parts if you need to test them, like in the fuel system, the fuel pump, the EGR solenoid valve, lambda to sensor heating, and in the air conditioning, the compressor, VGT activated, this deactivated, fuel evaporation control, and much more right here on the app. Blue VF, the injectors, fan, transmission, the desired gear pressure controls, the solenoid valve. The maintenance option, you can do regens, particulate filter reset up the adaptation values. There you have all of the independent options. Let's take a look at the regen. Anytime you do anything with the diagnostic tool, before you'll get a warning, then you'll get a description, pre-initial conditions, and then you can finally make any changes. Those are the values it will modify, and this is how it looks when you start the process.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.